Hello guys and welcome to How to Socials. In this video I'm going to show you how to share Clubhouse profile on Twitter. So let's start. First, open the Clubhouse app. This is the home page of the app. From here you have to tap on your profile icon on top right corner and go to your profile. Just beside the settings icon on top right corner you will see the share icon. Now tap on that. Now swipe left and then tap on Twitter. Now write a caption. I'll just simply type follow me on Clubhouse. When you are done, tap on tweet on top right corner and your Clubhouse profile will be shared on Twitter. And your friends and colleagues who follow you on Twitter will be able to also follow you on Clubhouse. So if this video helped you out, then don't forget to leave a like and see you in the next tutorial.